So I thought I'd just show you more or less what I've done. Here I've actually put an aerial socket there, so I can mount a TV on the solid wood there. The insulation is Kingspan, and I did get it for about £17 for a sheet of 2 metres and 2.4 metres by 1.2 metres, I think it is. So as you can see, I've got the majority of the walls done. This is going to be a small playroom where I'll put a pool table. As you can see, I've still got the roof to do, which is going to be a challenge, as it's just standard corrugated concrete panels that they make. So obviously it's going to take a bit of thinking about how to put it on there. However, I just wanted to give you a quick update and show you where I'm at the moment. Let's see if we can go back and you can see the room from further back. It is a bit of a mess, I do apologise, but obviously it does take a bit of work, and I'll show you the roof next. Oh, okay, thanks for watching.